Hello, welcome with Cooking with Jessie, and today I have a special guest, my friend Daniel.
Hey, how's it going? How's it going? Oh, great audience today, great audience.
So today we are going to be making s'mores, and Danny, why don't you explain why we are making s'mores today?
Oh yeah, I have an event coming up with my youth group called The Ripple. Come out and join us. We have a s'more bar. It is a great s'more bar. We have graham crackers, Reese's, Kit Kat, Hershey's, and marshmallows. Basically, my theory is you can make s'mores out of anything.
Okay, so for our ingredients today, we have our graham crackers, Reese's, Kit Kats, Hershey's, and marshmallows. So to start out, we are going to have our marshmallows. Now you can do these two ways. One, you can roast them over a fire, or if you're at home, you can just do it in the microwave. So we put the marshmallows in the microwave, and we are going to do it for 15 seconds. Okay, so once they are done, you take them out of the microwave. Now this probably isn't the best way to do it because they end up all gooey instead of crispy and roasted like you want them. But they will do. So you can have them either from the microwave or my favorite, roasted over a fire. So to start off, Danny, can you get me a plate?
Yeah, sure.
So now that we have our plates, we can begin building our s'mores. So to start off, we're just going to do the normal way with our normal graham crackers. And for our marshmallows, I'm going to do them roasted. Now we have a variety of ways. We have them extra crispy, or my favorite, just the normal, regular golden brown marshmallow. So we put that on there, on our graham cracker. And we take our Hershey chocolate and we place it on there. And then we top it off with our other graham cracker. And there you go.
That looks delicious, Jessie.
Why, think?
What? It fell over completely, but it looks delicious. Now, you said this is the normal.
Yes.
I'm gonna try this. Would you also want to try this?
Oh, no, I'm good. You can try this. I'll try the second one.
Okay. Okay, I feel like the second one's gonna be better.
How does that taste, Danny?
Brings you back to camping with my mother.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
That's delicious.
It's childhood dreams right there.
Okay, for our second s'more, we are going to take the other regular graham crackers. We're going to try one with the microwaved
They're all kind of sticking together there, aren't they?
marshmallow, kind of gooey, and since they're kind of small, since they're gooey, we are going to use It's kind of messy, guys, so you might want to wash your hands when you're done with this.
No, so you may want to use the toasted marshmallows at the Friday Night Fire, October 12th.
So we are going to take a Kit Kat to...
Oh, break me a piece of that Kit Kat. Yeah.
And then we top it off again with our second cracker. And since this is my personal favorite, I am going to try it. Sorry, Danny.
Now, how does that one taste?
Fantastic. On a scale of 1 to 10, 11.
11? Bring that up to 11. Can I make the next one?
Yes, you can. Show us how you make it.
Since the only thing that's left is the chocolate graham cracker, I'm gonna use that. Now, people are like, Reese's on a graham cracker. That's crazy. That's crazy. But I push a level of crazy just one step further by adding Kit Kat as well. So you have a Reese and a Kit Kat. If you want to see how it looks, it's bam, right there. Right there. Beautiful Kit Kat. And I'm gonna use the microwave marshmallow. I regret this decision already. and just kind of pop it on there. And to give it the campfire taste, I'm also going to add the extra crispy one, which is my personal favorite, the extra crispy mellows. And look at this, You may want to wear gloves while creating this concoctions. And you're just going to push it together. Just, would you mind trying this amazing piece of...
Of course, Danny.
Awesome, awesome.
I secretly hate peanut butter, but it's okay.
You just said you loved Reese's before the show started.
I love that. Okay, so here I go.
Is it everything I dreamed it to be?
It's not bad.
It's not bad, that's good. So if you want to try some of these amazing s'mores, come to October 12th's Friday Night Fire at Hope Springs Church. Jessie, thank you for having me on your show.
Yeah, no problem. Good. You may want to take a bath after you eat these.
So a graham cracker stuck to your finger.
Very good, very good. Hope to see you on a Friday Night Fire.